Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to add the face to your Apple iPad Pro 2025 and set up the Face ID. At first we need to open the settings, and now we have to scroll down here to the Face ID and passcode. Here tap Set up Face ID. Now, here they have the instruction. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show the angles of your face. Tap Get Started. Here, as you can see, we have our frame. Let me remove these decorations to not destroy anything. And now, this is me. Yeah. Here now, as you can see, my face in the frame. And now we have to move our head to the right, left, and circle. As you can see, you can do the first step as you want and the second, etc., etc. You don't really have to stick to my way to do so. Here tap Continue, and now we can do the same. Reposition your face within the frame. Now up and circle. Done. Now here we have to enter the passcode to our iPad, just to have the Face ID, because you can use the Face ID without the passcode. For me it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have here this passcode can be easily guessed, but I can tap Use anyway. Verify 1 2 3 4 5 6 and tick icon. And actually, now we are all done. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.